Yo guys, it's Shunka here, back with another video on TENET. Hope you guys are doing well and safe. So in today's video we're going to be checking out these fake AirPods, the model i99000000 plus. These are the one-to-one copy of the Apple AirPods. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be unboxing it as well as reviewing it. That is looking into the quality of the sound as well as the bass and the features it has as well. So yeah, here's the back of the case. It's included with a wireless charger case. Got the trademarks made in China, of course. So at the front of the box, guys, you've got a little sticker saying premium 100% ANC quality. Now ANC stands for active noise cancellation. We're going to be checking that out, guys. We're going to be seeing if it does have a good active noise cancellation. Now just a brief background, there's loads of these AirPods out online. You can get these available on the websites below. That's like Alibaba, AliExpress, so many websites you can get it off. It's fairly cheap, it's not as expensive as the originals. They're like $29.99. Having a look at it, it's got a nice 3D display of the AirPods at the side of the box. Here's some quick features. It's the model 199,000. You got your left and right earbuds, newest one-to-one with strong active noise cancellation, top or chip and 10D super bass. Okay, we'll check that out. Active noise cancellation and transparency really work. Well, we will be the judge of that. Pressure sensor control, that is to do with changing the tracks, pausing it, or even taking a phone call. So the smart in-ear sensor HD mic is when the AirPods are in the ear. The music will continue to play, but when they're taken out, then the music will stop. Pretty much simple, and it's got a HD mic on it as well. Separate use and wireless charging. Okay, we'll check that out. So yeah, here is the unboxing of the model 199,000. So yeah guys, as soon as you open the box, you've got the instructions manual here, right there. As you can see, it's in Chinese, but I'm sure there's some in English. Yep, there's some in English right here. So it's numbered out pretty basic, so you've got your basic number system, and it shows you what you've got in the box. So inserting the earbuds, you've got spare earbuds, which is fairly decent for a fake AirPods. You've got how to use, how to connect it to the, to your iPhone. I'm not sure whether you can connect it to an Android device, but we will be looking into that, guys. You've got your charging specifications. It takes about 80 minutes for it to get it full charged. The orange light is meaning that it's charging. We'll check out the wireless charge, guys, with the wireless charger. The earphone specifications are right there, guys. More information will be in the link in the description on the website, but here's just a quick insight of what it is. We'll put the instructions manual to a side. So here are the AirPods. Now these look just like the original. I've seen the original a couple of times. I'm normally an Android sort of person. I've got a Samsung Galaxy earbuds, but these look like the exact versions of them. That's the AirPod, and then you've also got, if you have a look at the bottom of the box, so here is the USB lightning adapter, what you can use to charge your AirPods. As you can see, it goes straight into there. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a plug or anything like that, but yeah, and then you connect it to a plug, and off you go, you're charging. So that's the charger right there. So you also got, as displayed on the user manual, is the spare earbuds. So whether you've got big ears or small ears, you can change them. I think these ones are medium. The ones that are on are medium, but these are the small and large ones. I'll probably be using the large ones. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the AirPods out. We're going to have a look at them. Sensors here for whether it's in ear or not. Looks really nice, really fancy. But looks aside, we're going to be testing out the quality of the sound. So what we're going to do is now, guys, we're going to check out firstly the wireless charge on the AirPods, as well as connecting to an Android device as well as an Apple device. So yeah, we're going to put the AirPods back into the case. We're going to check out the magnetism of the case. So as you can see, I've turned it upside down. That's what I really like about these AirPods. The magnetism is there, it clearly shows, and then it's easy. It's also very easy to take out, and it doesn't drop as well. That's another bonus for you guys for a $29.99 AirPods. So here's the wireless charger. It's a battery pack that I've used to review. if you haven't checked out the review for this battery pack, link will be in the description below, guys. So what we'll do is we'll turn on the wireless charge and then we'll place it on top. Now as you can see, it's flashing green, which means that it's on charge as displayed on the user manual. The wireless charge does work, guys, so it's thumbs up from me. So we're going to put that to a side, guys. That's the battery pack. It's a brilliant battery pack, saved my life so many times. I've used it on road trips, I've used it on walks. Honestly, it's amazing, and it's about to die as well. So yeah, we're going to get this charged up. But yeah, that's the battery pack, guys. So guys, that was a wireless charge, but now we're going to be checking out Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus the iPhone X. So we're going to be checking out how accessible it is with these AirPods. So first and foremost, we're going to be using the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is S10 Plus, which is my device. I've had it now for a long time. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going onto the Bluetooth, turning the Bluetooth on, and we're going to be flipping these up, and hopefully it should come up with the AirPods. AirPods Pro ZT, that's the name of the AirPods. So we're going to be connecting pair with the AirPods. There's also an app downloaded that you can download. It's called Air Battery, which is available on the Samsung Galaxy website. So we're going to grab permission. I've just literally downloaded this app. So here it is, that's the AirPods. So it's coming up with select the device. We're going to be selecting the AirPods Pro. Okay, there you go, guys. There is it. It's there, as you can see. The battery of the left and right, which is 100%, as well as the wireless charger, which is 75%. And we're going to be playing some music, and then I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion on what I think. So I'm going to go into Amazon Music. That's what I use for my music. So we're going to connect the AirPods. I do apologize if I get louder, because the music is quite loud as well. Wow. Now for fake AirPods, these are pretty decent. I'm just going to pause it, guys, because also you can mess about with the noise cancellation. So here's the settings. I mean, on the iPhone you can mess about with the noise cancellation, but on this device I don't think you can. You have to buy the app to mess about with the noise cancellation. That's not really very good. If you've got an Android device, you can connect to it, but you can't mess about with the settings. You can't turn on noise cancellation, so you have to buy the Pro version. You have to pay for it in order to get the full settings on the Android device. But having listened to the quality of it, guys, it's very good. I would recommend it. I mean, listening to it right now, the bass is brilliant. Even though I can't mess about with the settings, the sound quality could be better. That's the AirPods Pro Z. They call the Pro ZTs, as found out. So I'm going to turn my Bluetooth off on the Samsung Galaxy device. So I'm going to put the Galaxy device to another side. We're going to go grab the iPhone. So what we're going to do is now, guys, we're going to be connecting the AirPods to the iPhone device. This is the iPhone X. It's fairly older than the other devices. As you can see, it's got more of an accurate display than the Samsung Galaxy device. So what we're going to be doing is, guys, we're going to be checking out the settings into it, or more into the settings. We're going to be putting these in our ears. You've got the device displayed AirPods Pro ZT, and so once you've connected, if you've got an older iPhone, you can go onto the I button displayed, and you've got more of a better settings, but if you've got the new iPhone, you can just slide up and you can have the Apple AirPod, or you can have anything displayed and your shortcuts displayed. So we've got noise cancellation and transparency turned off. So at the moment I've got my heater on. I can't hear it as much, but if I turn on transparency, I can hear my heater. I can hear the heater really well. And we're going to be checking the transparency out on a YouTube video. Now with the transparency turned on, the sound is brilliant. I mean, I still hear the heater as well as hear the music. So that's basically used for when you're walking about in a crowded area. You don't want to obviously you want to keep your ears peeled just in case any cars come by or anything like that. So I'd recommend that for using out on a day-to-day basis. Now we're going to be checking out noise cancellation. This having been said on the box, 100% active noise cancellation. We're going to be looking at that. Yeah, so let's turn on noise cancellation. Let's go back. You've also got a brilliant sound. that's displayed once connected to noise cancellation. So now we're going to go back onto the video, check it out, turn on the volume for full. Having a look at the noise cancellation, I normally use the Galaxy Buds. They are brilliant actually, but having used these, I can still hear bits and bats from the background. I can still hear the heater that's turned on. So I wouldn't really recommend the noise cancellation, but everything else seems to be in fit. So guys, what we're going to be doing is now we're going to be checking out the sensor of the AirPods. So that is displayed right here. So that's when you tap to answer either a phone call or to change tracks, or whether you want to pause the track. So I'm gonna put that back in there. I've got my right ones on. I'll test them out with the right ones. Now we're going to be going on to Spotify, check the playlist out. I'm going to press play. It works, but it's a delayed response. Bass is brilliant. Change track. Change track. So, like I said, it's a delayed response. So you have to wait like literally a second before you hear the sound. I'd say they're worth pretty much every penny. Personally, I would, if you're looking for a cheap pair of AirPods, I'd definitely get these guys. These are worth it, but at the same time it has its drawbacks, because I've just literally taken the AirPods out and the buds have just gone flying. There is a lot of things that will change. I mean, compared to the previous fakes that have been out in the past, these have made a big step up. They're a big step up towards the fakes, and they are recommended by me. And that's pretty much it, guys. These are the AirPlus Pro ZTs. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. As always, make sure you like, subscribe and share, and comment down below on which other products you want me to review. Take care, stay safe and wash your hands.